Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, the 21st of March. I hope you all are doing fabulous this morning. So today's going to be a bit different. I'm hoping that we're going to do a ride along later today. So keep an eye out for a live stream coming up if we do the ride along, because I didn't want to put it out there yet until we actually do it, but I figured I'd give y'all a heads up so that if I do a ride along live stream, y'all will know to be looking for one. Anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. It is a beautiful sky this morning here in my area. You can see the planes are up there making their lines already. But that is gorgeous. That sky coming up, the sun coming up over there, that color is gorgeous. I kind of missed the earlier part of sunrise, but it's okay. I've got my coffee, and my son's up. He's a bit grumpy this morning. It's all right. Can tell it's still a bit cold. There's a chill in the air, and I was cold last night. I don't care. I just was cold. It seems like I've been losing quite a lot of weight in this last year. And so I'm more cold now than I am warm. But that's a good thing, though, because, you know, I've gone from being 202 all the way down, and I'll say my count now is 159. Woohoo! I'm doing it, you guys. I'm getting myself back to being healthy again. And hopefully that's a good thing. It's taken a few years for me to actually get things straightened out and to try to get back into my healthiness. So listen to them birds this morning. Yep, they're going out this morning. You know what I wonder, are they giving each other the news for the day when they're making all the morning noises? Who knows? Anyways, you guys, today I want to give you a thought. Be conscious of things around you. Be conscious of the things that are going on. Enjoy the beauty in life. Not everything bad in life is a bad thing. In that, through bad things, we always learn lessons. So be conscious in life. Also, love others as you would want to be loved. Take care of others the way that you would want to be taken care of. And help others the way that you would want to be helped. Anyways, you guys, yesterday's live stream was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it, and oh wow, that sun is just now starting to peek through them trees. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. If I could right now, I'd take a picture of that, but hey. So, yeah. Yesterday's live was a lot of fun. I plan on doing more live streams like that, and I hope that y'all will stick with me. And to all of you who have stuck with me, I appreciate you, that you've been there for me through thick and thin. And can't do it without family. Anyways, you guys, I love you. Please have a great day. And look forward to a live stream that'll be a ride along. Hopefully it'll be today, but we will see. If not, I'll come back and let you guys know what happened. Anyways, you guys, I love you. And I will see you all on the next video or live. Much love.